Hello, I'm Dr. Brewer. If you're living with hip pain, you know that even simple movements like bending to tie a shoe can be a challenge. This video will demonstrate simple but effective stretches to help you increase your range of motion and mobility and potentially reduce your pain. Please be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program.
Hi, my name is Becky. I'm a physical therapist assistant at Allegiance Health. Today we're going to talk about your hip. Everything that you do is in front of you. When you walk, you're using your hip flexor muscle. When you sit, your hip flexor muscles are becoming tight. The hip can cause a lot of hip problems and a lot of back pain. So today I'm going to teach you some exercises to stretch and strengthen your hip. The first exercise I'm going to teach you is the IT band stretch. To do the IT band stretch, cross one leg in front of the other. You're going to reach down toward the toes of the foot that is behind. You should feel a stretch down your leg and up along your side. To feel a little more of a stretch, you can even reach your arm over. You're going to hold that stretch for approximately 30 seconds and then switch to the other side. If you feel any discomfort at all during this stretch, you should stop. It should be a strong stretch without any pain. The other muscle that can become tight with your hip is your hip flexor. Your hip flexor, when it becomes tight, pulls your hip forward and can cause back pain and hip pain. To stretch your hip flexor, get down on your knee next to a bed or a couch. Lean forward, push your hip forward so you feel a good stretch at the front part of your hip. If you feel any pain, you should stop. It should be a gentle stretch. If you have discomfort under the knee, you can place a pillow under your knee. Hold the stretch approximately 30 seconds and then switch to the other side. Do this a couple times a day. It will help to prevent hip pain. The hip abductors and the hip extensors can also become very weak when you're working out, when you're walking, so it's really important to exercise those. My favorite exercise to strengthen the hip abductors is side lying hip abduction. Lay on your side, tighten your tummy, tighten your bottom. Going to lift your leg up and then back down. If you feel your hips start to roll back, you've gone too far. You really want to engage your hip abductor muscles. Tighten your tummy, tighten your butt, lift. You can do this exercise 10 times, and as you become stronger, increase it to 20, 1 to 2 times a day. The next exercise is the clam. To do the clam, lay on your side, bend your knees. Again, you're going to tighten your tummy muscles, tighten your bottom muscles. Open at the knee like a clam and close. Again, if your hip rolls back, you're using the incorrect muscles. Everything stays rock solid, open at the knee. You can do the exercise 10 times. As you become stronger, increase to 20, 1 to 2 times per day.